Hi, my name is Per Lindby and I'm the founder of Lindby Custom Inc. We manufacture some highway bars and we have been doing it since 1993. The first one I would like to introduce to you today is the original Lindbar, and it is a combined engine guard and highway peg. The warranty on this product is 1 year on the plating and lifetime for manufacturer's defect. It's made both for Harley-Davidson and for metric cruisers. The material we use is the best you can get, and it comes in 3 different finishes for selected models. All of them come in chrome, some come in gloss black and some in flat black. The placement where you put your feet on the product, it comes with 10 neoprene rings on each side, and there is a groove machined into the tubing so they stay in place. It is possible to do a different look where you put 5 rings on each side and one of the white bands takes place of 2 O-rings, so they sit very solidly in place. They are also made of neoprene material, and that O-ring upgrade kit costs $20. The next product that I want to show to you is our twin bar. This here is again used with the high quality materials we use for all our products, but the features of this here is that it has a built-in flip down peg on the side. When you flip it out, it is angled towards the rider of the bike, so your feet will stay in place under use. And the rubber inserts on this one here is again out of the material of neoprene, so your feet stay solidly in place when you use it. When you flip the peg in, it's all integrated into the tube, so it's not noticeable. If you see the product from the front, you will not even see that there is a peg built into the product. And then when you flip it out, you have a secondary placement for your feet. It's just an added feature, and it gives you great comfort going down the road. And it is only offered for selected models of Harley-Davidson. 1 year warranty on the plating, and again lifetime warranty on the product. The next product I want to show to you is our multi-bar. It is made in one solid continuous tube with the bends in place. The shape is the same as the original Lindbar, but without the miter cuts on the tubes. The placement for your feet on this product here is a solid neoprene piece where there's a stop built into the side of the footrest, so your feet will not slide off when you use the product. We use high quality materials for this, and again the warranty on this product here is 1 year on the plating and lifetime on the product itself. This product is offered for both Harley-Davidsons and a full range of metric cruisers. This product also comes in a gloss black finish for some models, and all models comes in a chrome finish. The final product I want to show to you today is the Unibar. It's again made of the high quality material we use for all our products. This product is offered for both Harley models and metric cruiser models, and comes in both chrome and gloss black finishes. Our version of this product is a little bit different than anything else on the market. We made it so it follows the line of the motorcycle better than the OEM style bar does. We changed the angles a little bit so it gives it a nice flow with the motorcycle. There's no placement for your feet, so we offer a clamp-on peg for this product, and you can put it at any height, any angle to make your feet placement very comfortable. A lot of people use the clamp-on peg on both the Lindbar and the multi-bar also, so we decided to make it in all the different styles. We offer it for the Lindbar style and the multi-bar style, and the Lindbar with a wide O-ring kit you can purchase and change the look of the Lindbar. I want to thank you guys for listening to me today. Thank you.